Ngiyaphinda futhi ukuthi mawungamazi wonke umthwalo wakho uqoqe uhambe because wena hayi awusowala eGauteng. Please introduce yourself to our viewers ethu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and the reason you're here today.
Melangi ke Thomas wa Gope Kinjaroro yeah kwaKotutuza 1496 bayitsiba yeah.
So no tloetsang mo today.
Today we play Mambas. I'm part of Mambas. We play I think, but today not playing. Yeah.
Okay. So riyatsiba gore ustane. So go cela usenzele I-pyramid yama teams okay wadlalela up until now.
Professional or where?
Pro side everywhere.
Yeah. It's difficult to play like. Team
okay,
oh, okay. I can play. Let's go. Good development. Let's go with. Then I played go with Bank Spurs. Cosmos, African All Stars. Then Easy Nyoga. Then Kasibabali Mambas. Yeah. Yeah.
So, king into motivator gore bapale ball.
Yeah, football 9 putile nna face ngiphuthila holo because mo khuletseng teng in face it's not easy and the background mo ke tswang teng angitsona so I choose a ball plus get talented so that's why I'm playing football.
Yeah. So if no sabapali ball bozo ba yini?
Oh. Hey phuthile. Okay, I don't see I can see angazi life bezongibeka phi but football kyatsho ngiphuthila wona.
Okay. So go wonke abantu ke wadlala nabo, who would you say was or is the toughest opponent? Okay, wakunikeza a tough time nje.
Ngimundao. Ngimaka 19 minutes. Yeah, one player I'm feeling tough time and akidlala Cosmos like yeah. Ngimundao yeah. Ngimakile 90 minutes, no mistake, yeah.
Okay, Gugu impilo yakho udlala ibhola ne, who would you say is the best player mawumbhekile even now, who would you say like is the best player?
Babangata my sister babangata.
Okay, nema ba itrehe.
Nana ki Fevela Teko Modise, John Shoes Musheu. And now my son who is coming little bona bolo kayena shem. Yeah.
Okay.
My role model yes.
So no Bapala, how do you handle pressure you lose? Of course, like you won't get a win each and every time. So let's say a team here loser, and then obviously there's gonna be pressure from our coaches and as well as our fans. So how do you handle that pressure?
Football sa tsubana le pelo man. Abo baka o roa ka mme wa hao no. So tshwantse o inkentse. So ha tlo nka personally ke hao. Then I bolo be my sister. If I hold me la pressure, o ka se dlale football. Yeah, football is a men's game, so tshwantse coach handle pressure because ba tlo raga ba ka se ba sa raga. If I hold handle pressure then I'm not with football. Yeah.
So na hona le debate nyana ne interesting bari akiti boza ya dolo shake it up shakes angazi. So when an opinion yakho would you say ukuthi star seton?
Ngakishilo li last ko Facebook ifintweni le hala remember shakes re boni ka yena bona ntweni. Yeah, no sina madolo no sina expert yena shake it up ako spray. I can otleng le yona ntse motho bo skorokoro bo shakes ba banga ba ilata yena so hey bonu yena sikhwama uyibona yena yeah. Yeah,
Right, word of the day.
Iba wena asiphendulo omunye umuntu. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much for your time.
Leboga nna masiki. Sharp.